Greetings everyone, friends! Welcome to my new video. A new IDO has started on Bybit, so the pre-sale on the WEB3 side is starting. I wanted to make a video about it today. Your chances are a little bit better in this pre-sale. I'll talk about that too. How to participate in this pre-sale, we'll talk about that. $30 from Token Splash at the same time. At the same time, $40 from the Z exclusive airdrop. So you'll have a chance to win a total of $70. I'll tell you about these today. Let's go to our video right now. Friends, I am Monte Crypto Contu. I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel not to miss such opportunities. Today our topic is Friends, Bybit's pre-sales. Now I will explain what we need to do step by step to participate in them. First of all, if you do not have a Bybit member, I leave you a membership link in the video description. You can become a member of Bybit with the campaign reference code. You can also enter it on mobile. If you become a member from our ref link, if you make a volume of $200, you are entitled to enter our analysis group. Many opportunities here too. Here we are trying to share whitelist, or sometimes I share my private purchases here. You can enter our analysis group, friends. We are a member of Bybit. We have completed our identity chopping. So what do we do now? Here comes the web page side. Here we click on Bybit wallet, friends. Now our wallet appears. We set up our wallet. Look before, because it says credit there. You can easily set up a wallet from there. Everything is okay until here. If you are wondering how to use Bybit, there is a video where I explain the use of Bybit in general. You can also watch it. Now other games friends are doing IDO. Is this good? You know, we shoot many videos about Bybit's pre-sales, but is it good? Now when we look at our previous pre-sales, XX, XX, XXX, XXX6 are flying in the air. Now there are fewer people, but your chances are a bit better here. The reason for this is this: the pre-sale is happening in the Polygon network right now. As such, many friends will not participate. So the chances of those who are trying right now are a little higher. Friends, I've reviewed the game quite a bit. It's a good game. The graphics are very good. The fiction is also very good. You can also access the link of the game from Aether IDO. So what do you need to join? Look, there are joins over there. Let's click on this and take a look. Let's take a look at the participation details, friends. Now friends, we need to keep USDC in our wallet on the Polygon network. I will tell you how to do this. I came back to Webhook, I opened my Bybit wallet, and now I can easily send USDC from Binance here. On the Polygon network, of course. Look for it. I clicked on the deposit, I swiped a little bit to the right, and I selected the Polygon, and then I selected the USDC, and I copied my address here, guys. I went back to Binance, and I pasted my address. Now this is really important. It's very important which network. I'm going down here, and look. I chose the Matic Polygon network. I'm like, got it. And you can send USDC like this. When we press the withdrawal, our money comes to the Bybit wallet in a short time. Now guys, we're going to transfer some more polygons. Even if you transfer one polygon, it's enough. So Matic, I'm coming to Matic. Same address, but I copied the address anyway. This time I'm back on Binance. I'm going to select Matic. I clicked on Matic. I came back and entered the address. I'm selecting Matic as A. And even if you send one, it's enough. Even if it's 0.7, that's enough. That's not a condition. But in order to use the Matic wallet, we need Matic for fuel fees, FII fees. And this is where we press the check, guys, and quickly our Matics are coming to our Bybit web wallet. Now we are back on our airdrop page again. Here, friends, there is an option to join. It didn't show up here because I just joined. It gave me a direct ticket number. But you will definitely press join here. You need to have USDC in order to participate. It will start taking snapshots. You need to have USDC from the snapshots until the draw. If you don't win, you can get this USDC and Matic back. And if you win, friends, you will buy USDC per ticket. So even if Onyx does it, it's $2,000 because they give them all directly. This is a very good advantage, to be honest. New Bybit users, for example, earn 0.4 tickets more here. At that time, there is a token splash competency. If you participate in this, you will earn an extra $30. Let's talk about that for a second. What are you going to do? From now until March 15th, you need to sign up for Bybit and complete tasks. The tasks are to deposit 100 USDT, and that's how many CoPro friends you need to buy. Token splashes are sometimes crazy lucrative, but sometimes $30 is better than nothing, because on top of that, we have our special competence. This is a 40 USDT withdrawable reward for the Monte Crypto Count community. That's a total of $70 for a new member. That's good. Now our reward pool is limited for the first 100 users. I asked him if the first 100 users are full. I will talk about it in my video, And he told me that I talked to Bybit. Now we cannot know the results of this before the event period is finalized because our special teams are examining and eliminating if there are bot accounts. So they said we cannot make a statement about this, so this event may or may not be over. In general, the pool of 100 people does not fill up so fast for our communism because many people already have Bybit membership, friends. But as I said, this part is not 100% guaranteed, but the prize pool may still not be full. We cannot confirm this because there are those who use bot accounts and engineers detect and block them. They cancel their accounts. Now these are the details about this airdrop. And now Bybit is trying to do it on different networks. We've done BP, we've done Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum. Now we're throwing them into Polygon. And sometimes we can't be bothered to withdraw them. Of course, if we have limited capital, we try to withdraw them. But they try these things. Exchanges are trying to make more use of themselves. They are rightly making a marketing strategy within themselves. In the meantime, friends, we are distributing the favor NFT. We will open a form for this. This is the old form. In a few days, we will open a form on our Telegram channel. Many friends asked for this. People who are organic in our community will earn this NFT and will benefit from airdrop for free. If they come to work and do their staking, if they increase their level. What I call staking is free, by the way. It's completely free. Everything from A to Z is free. I even send you the NFT for free. I pay for the fuel, for example. And friends, with these SBTs, what we call SBTs are NFTs that cannot be moved. So there can be only one in a wallet. With these SBTs, friends, I want you to earn from airdrop. This to the announcement channel, friends. We will share it in a few days. We are on Twitter very intensely during these periods, friends. Opportunities do not end on Twitter, and I'm trying to pass these opportunities to you. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. You can ask anything you have in mind as a comment on YouTube. We read and answer them, my dear friends. Hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.